My name is Darrin, and this is my ClearChoice story. Today we're here at my home. We're in Fort Worth. I was a firefighter. I just recently retired after 30 years of service with the fire department. There was a calling there that I had, and I always wanted to be able to help people. And now I'm getting acclimated to not having to get up and go to work every day. It feels pretty good. I was one of those children that had a bad experience with the dentist when I was young. That kind of pushed me to neglect my teeth, and then I got to pay for it later in life as they began to crack and break and fall out, and eventually it was just to the point to where I had no choice, but I had to do something for my own health. So I did my homework, and ultimately I came away feeling best with ClearChoice.
Hi, Darrin.
And it was an opportunity for me to just get it fixed and get it fixed right. I just decided at that point in time that I knew where I wanted to go.
Day of surgery, plan is to go ahead and remove the remaining teeth, top and bottom. Place 4 implants on top, 4 on the bottom. Leave here with a new smile.
That sounds awesome.
It was awesome to see his transformation and what just a smile could do for somebody.
It was right after surgery I went to the recovery room, and I remember looking in the mirror at my smile. Oh my gosh, what a difference. The first impression was, who is this guy? That's not me. But they looked great, and to me that was the whole beauty of it. I walked in the morning with the teeth that I had left, and when I went home that evening, I had a complete set of new teeth. New teeth that I can not only eat with, eat the foods that I desire, and be able to enjoy my life. Go get yourself educated, make the appointments, and see what is available for you, because there are certainly a lot of choices out there to better your life. Hey, life's too short not to eat steak.